My dishwasher is flashing E3. What does this mean and what should I do? Thank you.
Hiya, E3 indicates a fault in the heating circuit of the appliance. The heater, thermostats, wiring and main control are all involved in this. Normally it's the thermostat that has failed and you need to test the thermostat cutout using a multimeter. If it's open circuit, you need to obtain and replace the thermostat cutout. You will need to take the appliance out and take the side panels off to gain access to the components. The most common place for the failed thermostat is the underside of the tank at the bottom rear right. It screws in and has two connections. Check it out, see what you find and get back to me. Obviously, if you cannot do the work yourself, you'll need to get someone in to do it for you. Hope this helps. Thanks.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.